Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to reactivate suspended user account in Google Workspace. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if you want to revive an account, let's say you just need an account to get the files from that account and you want to revive it. So you're going to go to Deleted button and all of the accounts available for reactivation will be displayed. You just need to click Recover and the account will be recovered. It will then be active and you'll be able to access it. Usually, Workspace gives you 20 days to recover an account. After 20 days, it will be permanently deleted, so you have 3 weeks to revive an account. After that, you won't be able to do it. Once you click Recover, you don't need to do anything else. The account will be recovered. So that's basically how you can reactivate suspended user account in Google Workspace. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.